Happy Jacks, Happy Jacks, get along right. Happy Jacks, Happy Jacks. Hi, and welcome to Happy Jacks.
Yeah, can I have a large cola and a root beer? Oh, shit. Burger.
How would you like a chocolate thunder sundae?
How much is that?
$1.99. Oh, I want a Star Wars sneaker.
I don't like Star Wars.
Sit right over here.
Oh.
Hey,
What?
sorry about that.
You punched me in the goddamn eye.
Well, Happy Jacks. Happy Jacks.
Tuesday nights, 9 o'clock, 10 Central. Followed by Skag Williams Special Olympics. Big night, Tuesday. Be there or be ugly. Dick there? Hello, Dick? Dick, you fucked my wife! Open up, Dick!
Hello? You're knocking at my door?
No, you're knocking at my door.
You're knocking at my door? What are you talking about? What do you want? What? Stop knocking at my door then. You're knocking at my door. It's my door. You're knocking on my door. Right, one more, I'm calling fucking old Bill. Knocking on my door. Do what you want. I don't care, just please. You're knocking on my door. My door. Stop knocking on my door. What's wrong with you? Right, that's it. Stop knocking on my door then. You're knocking on my door then. Stop it.
Oh, you need to punch you straight in your face.
You're on my door then.
I am the master of the clit. Remember this fucking face. Wherever you see clit, you'll see this fucking face. I make that shit work. No one rules a clit like me. Not this little fuck. None of you little fucks out there. I am the clit commander. When it comes down to business, this is what I do. I pinch her like this. Oh, you little fuck. And I rub my nose.